Hello class. By now you should have already watched the video and looked through all the pictures and sounds of each animal. And now you should have your chart all the way filled out. And so now that you have it filled out, we're going to go ahead and test what you've learned. So to do this, I've created a matching game. And for the matching game, you can use your chart that you filled out. So to go to the matching game, all you have to do is click the button that says matching game. And it should take you to a screen that looks exactly like this one. And all you have to do is hit start game. And you will see 10 different little boxes that either have pictures or say things, and 5 of them are answers and 5 of them are questions. So for example, this one says, what do cows eat? You can look on your chart, and if you think the answer is oink, you can drag it over here, and if it goes red, that means you're wrong. So then you need to pick a different answer. So what do cows eat? If you think they eat hay, then you would drag that answer to that question, and it disappeared, and it also turned green, meaning you got it right. So all you have to do is do that for all of them until they all disappear or until you can no longer make matches. And I want you to go back to the website. And this part right under the matching game button will ask you to enter your score. So all you have to do is your first name in this box, the last name in this box, and then I want you to either tell me how many matches you made if you didn't get all 5 matches, or tell me the time that it took you, so the time is right here, to get all of your matches. So either one is fine, and all you have to do is hit submit, and that'll send it straight to me. And that's all I want you to do for this section. Thank you.